How to see your Facebook friendship date, or how to see since when you have been friends with a certain friend on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see your Facebook friendship date on Facebook. Now all you have to do is open up Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of the screen below the messaging icon there. Simply tap on it and scroll down, and under all shortcuts you can see the option friends. Simply tap on the friends option here and you'll be headed to your friends here. What you want to do is tap on your friends option and you'll be able to see all your friends here. Now to be able to see Facebook friendship date, what you want to do is here searching for the friend that you want to see the friendship date of. I'll just search in for the friend from the search bar, or you can scroll down and search in for them. Now once you search in, what you want to do is along with their username at the right hand side you can see the three dots option. If you tap on that three dots option here and just below the Facebook name, you'll be able to see the friendship date. You can see friends since November 2022. Similarly, if you head into any friends here, your friends option, and tap on three dots option, you'll be able to see the friendship dates there just below the username. You can see friends since March 2023. So this way you can see your Facebook friendship date. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.